So this is what we're making today, a small sailboat. So first of all, we need a rectangle-shaped paper. And then we fold it into half. And then we fold it again. We open the second fold we did. There's two sides. One is open, one is not. Get the not open side and fold two things inside. After you fold the two corners inside, there's still some left, right? One of the long rectangles flip up and then turn it around. There's 4 corners. You also fold them in. And then fold this up. It turns into a triangle. And then open the bottom and then fold it towards it. And then it turns into this. We make it into a triangle again, which is both sides fold up. And then open the bottom again and push it in. And then fold it. Open it and then fold it, and then here's the sailboat.